What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my second dividend payment with Exxon Mobil. Yep, that's right, my second dividend payment. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so once again, when it comes to the stock market, millions of ways to make money, maybe not millions, but there's a lot of ways to make money. And the way that I choose to make money, especially over the long haul, and it's a little bit slower, is by using dividend payments. Now, once again, there's a lot of ways to make money. I'm not by any means a guru, nowhere close. And that's why I titled the channel My Investment Journey, because I'm showing you my journey in regards to investing. So if you are interested in that, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like I said a little bit earlier. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my second dividend payment with Exxon Mobil. Yet again, another company where I should have grabbed more shares at the time that I did, but you know, you live and you learn type of thing. So I have pulled up for you guys right now on the screen my Robinhood Portfolio. And as of right now, it's $197,000. I'm still down overall because my initial investment in the market is $206,000. So as you guys can see here, I actually started to get back into the market back in May 2020. And at that time, no, I didn't just throw in $206,000. But since that time, I've invested $206,000. So once again, I'm still down overall, which I want to show you guys that. But eventually I'll get back to where I am in the green. Eventually, there was a time that I was down negative $60,000 right here. You guys can see that, negative $63,000 on October 30th, 2020. So I'm slowly digging myself out of this hole, and that hole was because I was trying to do day trading. A lot of people kind of glorify day trading and they make it look super easy, but it's not, or at least it's been my experience that day trading is not super easy. Anyway, let me click on my Exxon Mobil account here. And so I have this pulled up, and currently Exxon is trading for $64.62. My overall market value right now is $6,847.90. My total return, which is ridiculous, is plus $2,167.31. I am up 46%. Which is really, really cool. Like I said, I wish I would have grabbed more shares, but I did not. My average cost per share is $44.17. I currently own 105.97 shares, okay? So once again, this is my second dividend payment with Exxon. Exxon does pay quarterly, so that's once every 3 months. There are other companies that do pay monthly, but Exxon does pay quarterly, and that's pretty common, especially with really, really solid companies that have a strong history and a strong track record. Most of those guys pay quarterly. So if I scroll down here, I will click on show more info because I'd like to show you that this is my second payment. So I'll click on show more, then I'll click on dividend just to show you my first dividend payment was on March 10th. If I click on that, you can see at that time I had 103.03 shares, and they're paying 87 cents per share, and my total dividend payment was $89.64. Now the next payment I have here is for June 10th, and as you can see there, once again at that time I had 104 shares and they paid 87 cents per share, which made my payment $90.94. I actually have the dividend reinvestment plan turned on, and this is on Robinhood, where they automatically grab more shares for you with your dividend payment. So when you get paid the dividends, of course, you can take the money and transfer it to your bank account if you so choose, but that would kind of be pointless. You know, the purpose of getting these dividends is to continue to reinvest the amount that you've gotten in payments, and then, you know, a good 20-25 years down the line, your dividend payments are going to be a lot, and so much so you'll be able to live off of the dividend payments and not necessarily have to reinvest it. So that's the goal. But right here on June 10th, you guys see that there's a market buy, and they were able to grab 1.44 shares at $62.94, which is pretty cool because it is trading higher now than it was when they purchased the 1.44 shares for $62.94. Let me go back and show you what it's trading for right now. So right now it's trading for $64.62. So I was able to grab almost 1.5 shares at $62.90 something. And once again, it's almost up $2, almost up $2. We're 30 cents shy of the $2, but that's really, really cool. And I love having the drip turned on, which is dividend reinvestment plan on Robinhood, because when you have a lot of stocks that you are getting dividend payments from, it could be kind of a challenge to purchase the additional shares, like reinvest the dividend payment yourself. At first, I was like, yeah, I'll just reinvest it. But I currently have 11 companies that I am receiving dividend payments from. And it's just a little bit easier to just have drip turned on in Robinhood and not have to worry about it. And this was a prime example. It worked out well in this particular case. It doesn't always work out where your dividend reinvestment is going to be invested and you're going to grab more shares at a lower cost, and then a couple of days later it's going to be higher. Sometimes it doesn't work that way. Sometimes you will grab shares and it'll be up here, and then a couple of days later it will be the value of the share will be lower than what it was when the dividend reinvestment was turned on. So that's food for thought, but it's really not that big of a deal. Overall, I'm very, very happy with my choice to invest in Exxon Mobil. I wish I would have invested a lot more money, because I am currently up, like I said, $2,167.31. I cannot complain about that. That was a solid invest. Absolutely, for sure. And once again, that was my second dividend payment with Exxon Mobil. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.